Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a light-up birthday card using products from our new birthday release celebrating 9 years, so let's get started. First, I stencil the gorgeous cake with the Wonderful Wishes layering stencil set. I used teal, pink, and coral inks from Concord 9th for my various layers. The stencil is A2 sized, so it fits perfectly on my panel and makes it really easy to line up each layer. I use Aqua Sky and Oceanside for the foliage layers. Then I use Sweet Pea, Ballet Slippers, and Grapefruit ink for the flowers. After I completed my third layer, I realized that I didn't really want two light shades, so I went over the Ballet Slippers layer with honeysuckle ink to create a really pretty coral color. Then I used a small blending brush to add black ink to all my flower centers. I used the last stencil for my cake stand and candles. I use a really light hand with black ink for the stand outline and slightly more pressure for the detail layer. Then I die cut the cake and cake stand and tape the candle stencil over another panel of white cardstock. I blend Buttercup and Aqua Sky ink on one layer and Oceanside and Grapefruit ink on the second. I use tape to mask off the different parts of the candle and wipe off any excess ink between colors. Next, I line up the coordinating die over the candles and tape it in place. Then I carefully lift the die and tape and line up a blank A2 panel over the stenciled candles and then tape the die back in place. This will let me cut out the candle shapes in the same location as where they are on the card panel. Once I've cut that panel, I line it up behind the stenciled candle panel and adhere it in place. On my card base, I've traced the outline of the candle flames, and I use them as a guide to trace the shape of my Chibitronics LED stickers. I trace each light with the positive side of the sticker on top and the negative side on the bottom. It's okay that my stickers will overlap each other slightly. Next, I adhere a battery holder onto my A2 panel towards the bottom right corner. Then, starting at the battery holder, I apply a piece of conductive fabric tape up the panel and across the negative point of each tray sticker outline. I trim off the excess to use later. Next, I adhere my foam ring on the battery holder. This will hold my battery in place. Then I apply my second piece of conductive fabric tape, covering the positive side of each tray sticker outline and extending down the panel to end up covering the red line on my battery holder. When I reach corners, I crease the tape and fold the tape, but you can also cut the tape and overlap it if that's easier. I place my CR 2016 battery inside the holder, then I adhere my LED stickers over the outlines. I'm using yellow and orange LEDs for my flames. After I adhere the first sticker, I close the battery holder and press to make sure everything is working. My LED doesn't light up the first time, so I press it into place a little more firmly to get a good connection. After I adhere all of the LED stickers, I add a strip of conductive fabric tape covering the positive side of each sticker and a second strip covering the negative side, making sure that the two lines of tape do not cross each other. This helps ensure that you have a really strong connection and your stickers won't shift around on you. And now you can see those candles light up when I place the stencil panel over the circuit panel. I remove the adhesive backing on the foam ring and close the holder to seal in the battery. As you can see, it won't light up without pressure, which will help preserve the battery life. Now it's time to put my card together. I adhere the cake and cake stand onto the panel along with the beautiful big birthday sentiment die cut from black glitter cardstock. I apply foam mounting tape on my circuit panel and then adhere it to the cake panel. When I push that bottom right corner, the card lights up. But to make it a little easier to know where to push, I add a sentiment from Mini Messages Sassy Birthday to the bottom corner. Finally, off camera, I add Nuvo Crystal Glaze over the candle flames and a few clear sequins to finish the card. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used and the new birthday release in the YouTube description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!